This is the elevator at the Carlisle. Let's just like be silent so we can truly get the motor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is the best motor I have heard, probably ever.
Especially with Kone fixtures.
All right, let's go. Not.
That is a 3-door leveling.
This thing is crazy. I like that alarm.
God, that thing, is that even gonna notify anybody? Let's not mess with it too
Yeah.
much, because I'm sure as much as I'm sure nobody will ever hear that, ever.
Yeah.
And it's fast.
Yeah, this thing's quick.
I don't know why the buttons, it doesn't like to focus on them. They're all flat.
Did a full round trip in just about a minute.
Yeah.
Which for a hydro is not bad.
Yeah. Alright, we'll cut it off here.
All right. That's it.